is my pleasure to invite Yang Berbahagia Datuk Dr. Ahmad Sabirin bin Arshad, our Group Chief Executive Officer of SIRIM Berhad, to deliver his opening speech and welcoming remarks. Please welcome Datuk.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and good morning to Yang Berusaha Puan Hajah Nur Fadilah binti Muhammad, CEO SIRIM QS International SIRIM Berhad, Mr. Paul Minwell, Chairman of IECEx. Thank you, sir, for being here in the early morning in South Africa. Engineer Salmi bin Haji Halim, Chairman of the National IECEx Committee and Group Technical Authority, GTA of Petronas. Mr. Minari Kogane, Executive Managing Director of Technology Institution of Industrial Safety, TIIS. Mr. Rabi Paramde, Director of Karandika Laboratories Private Limited. Members of IECEx, Senior Management of SIRIM QS International, representative of organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Alhamdulillah, we are grateful to assemble here today for the launch of SIRIM QS International's IECEx Certified Equipment Scheme. With this, SIRIM QS will further cement itself as the leading IECEx certification body in Southeast Asia. EX, or explosive atmosphere, industries are defined as those where the working environment have the presence of explosive materials, such as flammable fluids, vapors, gases, and combustible dust. They cover a vast spectrum of industries, many of which are significant contributors to Malaysia's economic growth, such as oil and gas, chemicals, aviation, and printing. Given the risk of explosion occurring in such environments, there is a need for EX industries to meet the most stringent quality of safety and competency. I believe that conformity assessment has a massive role to play in the future growth of these industries in Malaysia and globally. The development of the IECEx system for certification of standards relating to equipment for use in explosive atmospheres by the International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC, marks a progressive new chapter for the EX community in establishing international standards of safety. The scope of certification is comprehensive, covering the manufacturing and design of equipment and systems, repair and maintenance, alongside the competence of people and service providers. Ladies and gentlemen, for over 40 years, SIRIM Berhad has been at the forefront of industrial research and technology in Malaysia. We work closely with industries to enhance trade access and competitiveness through technology, innovation, and conformity assessment. With long-standing expertise in the industry and a pool of highly qualified EX auditors, our wholly owned subsidiary, SIRIM QS International, has been an ally to businesses and regulators in helping to ensure safety in all aspects of work in explosive environments. SIRIM QS provides independent verification that equipment and systems are handled and serviced to the highest level of safety by certified service facilities or workshops. This is to ensure that safety is not compromised at any point during the installation, inspection, maintenance, repair, overhaul, and reclamation process. As of 2021, we have issued up to 20 IECEx Service Facility Scheme certifications. Based on the IE 679 series of standards, SIRIM QS International certifies the competency of personnel working in EX areas, that they have the proper skills to design, install, inspect, maintain, and repair the equipment in their care. To date, up to 450 of the IECEx certification of personnel competence scheme certifications have been issued by SIRIM QS International. And today, with the launching of the IECEx certified equipment scheme, SIRIM QS International will become the premier EXCB in the world to offer the wide range of IECEx certifications. Ladies and gentlemen, a global certification framework in highly regulated sectors such as EX breaks down technical barriers to trade. For the EX community, this means reduced costs and time to market associated with having to undergo multiple conformity assessment criteria of different countries. At the same time, the common rules of procedures and operational documents are applied by all EXCBs, ensuring acceptance in key markets. Certification demonstrates continuous compliance to international standards, enhancing confidence of stakeholders in your products and services. In addition, IECEx also supports the existing policies on health and safety in individual countries. This informs of occupational safety and health, the Fire and Rescue Department, the Energy Commission, and the Ministry of International Trade and Industry in safeguarding public and industrial welfare. I am also delighted to announce that SIRIM QS has signed MOA with 2 EX testing laboratories, the Technology Institution of Industry Safety Japan and Karandika Laboratories Private Limited India, to establish technical cooperation in IECEx certification and testing. I believe this will provide headways for us to expand our services and to facilitate the exchange of expertise with our esteemed counterparts in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many lessons to be learned over the past 1.5 years since the onset of the pandemic. It has become clear that issues of health, safety, and sustainability cannot be isolated from economic growth and development. The EX sectors will continue to evolve with technology and become more competitive in the future. Finally, it is therefore important for organizations with the EX community to implement controls that can protect them and their employees. And today, I am welcoming all industry captains here to begin the IECEx journey with SIRIM. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.